home means my family. It's where my children and my wife and myself live our life. I had the house painted a few years ago, and a year after I painted it, needed another paint job. And I said, this is not going to last long term. We considered vinyl siding, but we decided to go with James Hardie because of all the positives.
Vinyl or PVC, you will encounter the same type of problems later on. The reasons are cosmetic and the product itself. You install it, and a few years later, it's not the same color anymore. And the expansion and contraction has a big impact on it. When you look at Hardie, it looks great not only the day you finish, it looks great years later. It's a product that stands to the times.
The look of the product, the cost, the durability, the fact that I can paint it later on if I wanted to. We're happy with siding and trim. It really has upgraded the appeal of the house.